And look how delicious this is. And to start our recipe today, we'll use 120 grams of ground pork. You can use beef as well, but pork tastes much better. Grate 1 clove of garlic. For this amount of ground meat, 1 clove is just right, a really big clove of garlic. And 1 centimeter of ginger. Just grate everything together. Take out the pieces that are too large, right? Done? Combine our meat. A teaspoon of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Half a teaspoon of salt. And here, plenty of green onions. I use frozen green onions, right? I freeze them and then use them. Now just mix everything very well. Here, everything is well mixed. I'll use these glass jars, but you can also use those aluminum containers, right? Now just spread a little bit of oil in our container so it doesn't stick. Make sure to coat all the sides. At the bottom, you can also use sesame oil. Done. And here I have a plate with a little bit of water ready, and we're going to wet it. Our rice paper, which you can find in Asian stores, even in large supermarkets, you can find it. I trimmed the edge a little so it doesn't get too big, right? For this jar, here you just need to wet it. It's really quick, just wet it. And here, with the paper already softened, we'll put it here. You don't need to make it too soft, okay? Otherwise it starts to stick too much. Put 30 grams of meat. Done. And now just close it. It's really easy to do. Put the water in the pot and let it boil. Put everything here in our bamboo steamer. If you can't steam it, just put it in the microwave at 600 watts for 4 minutes. Once it starts boiling, put our steamer on, cover it, and let it sit for 20 minutes. After 25 minutes, just turn it off. See how it turns out with the broth? Amen, amen. Now just add a little bit of soy sauce and look just how delicious that is. Music. It gets well cooked, well seasoned, just like a gyoza, but without frying and without gluten.